Hi guys, let's learn about cell cycle. So, before we start, let's understand the definition of the cell cycle. Cell refer for this topic regarding of eukaryotic cell, or in other words, regarding of eukaryotes. Domain eukaryotes. We remember that domain eukaryotes are composed of 4 kingdoms. That is kingdom Animalia, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi, and kingdom Protista. But for now, we only, in general term, we only focus about cell is for eukaryotes. Now, how about cycle? Cycle refer to order, sequence of events. So let's look at this. We have event A, and then it will goes a process to turn into event B. It goes into another process to turn into another process to form event C, and we're gonna reach back to our original position of process A. So the arrow here indicates sequence from A to B, from B to C. But the thing is, we cannot say that the A directly goes to C. It will skip B. We must do it in order. So you can see how from A to B to C is in order position. And see that from A to B to C and another process until we get back to our original position. This is what we call as cycle. So basically, cycle refers to the order sequence of events. Now, when we talk about cell cycle, what are the events? What are the sequence of events that are in the cell of eukaryotes? So, in context of sequence of events inside eukaryotes, it refers to 2 main events. First is about cell growth, or in other words, interphase. Another events are known as nuclear division or mitotic stage. So, in simple understanding, when we talk about cell cycle, it happens in eukaryotes. And what are the cycle is it? Is an order sequence of events. What are the events? Cell growth, which is known as interphase, and nuclear division, which is known as mitotic stage. So, what does cell cycle means? So, cell cycle refers as a sequence of events. In what cell? In eukaryotes. And what are the events that happen inside eukaryotes involving cell growth, or known as interphase? And what are another events? There is an nuclear division, or known as mitotic stage. So this is the definition of cell cycle, a sequence of events in eukaryotes involving cell growth, or known as interphase, and nuclear division, or known as mitotic stage.